We're gonna give it a small little demonstration on this piece here. I love this coffee machine. This coffee machine is awesome. I love it. Just showing a small little clip video on how the filter and everything works. And then the water right here, and they got all good levels of water, which is awesome. I like that. Let's see if I can focus it in real quick. Alright. Just got this phone not long ago, so I'm kind of having a hard time trying to figure out how to adjust the system and everything and all. It's a good phone, but it just the camera. I still need to learn how to work with it and all. But this is a good coffee machine. I love it. Just showing a small little clip and how it actually works and everything and all.